What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Brailsford's Rides. Today we have a great episode. We are going to be installing our GT500 OEM Spoiler on the Boss 302. I've been wanting to do this for a while now. I've been waiting for a nice sunny day. We had one today, but unfortunately, I spent that time with my kids. Well, not unfortunately. Fortunately, I spent that time with my kids, guys. It's more of a priority to me. So we're going to get it installed here during the nighttime, and we'll come back to you with some cinematic shots during the day. But let's get this thing on. Alright guys, so first thing we gotta do is pop the trunk. And we got these. Let's get a light in here. So we're gonna pull these out. Luckily, I thought I was gonna need a screwdriver. I can just do this with my fingers and then use our popper tool to get them out. See if we can get a bucket to collect them in. Alright, start popping them. And that's what we don't want. Actually, we're gonna leave the bottom ones in. Got them all. Let's pull this off. Push this through. Good to go. Now, we've got to remove this nut, one that's hidden under here, and the other one's on this side. So we're going to use our little pry tool, get under here a little bit. Try not to damage it too much, but gotta get it up. And then you're going to need 10 millimeters, of course, to get the spoiler off. Try not to drop them inside your trunk lid. Once it's free spinning, it's best to just do it by hand so you don't drop it. Or you can best prevent yourself from dropping it. 2. Put these right here too. Alright. Now we gotta get this thing off. A couple options. I can try and pry it up. Found they're pretty good. I think the best method's fishing line. So I'm gonna go get some fishing line to cut through it. Now, I've never done this, but everybody and their mother says this cuts through it like butter, so we're gonna find out. I'm not having such an easy look, I don't think. Oh, I broke it. I broke my fishing line. This bastard does not want to come off. It took some finessing. It's still taking some brute strength. There we go. There's a part right here. Dang. Oh man. Gross. Alright guys, I got this tool called the Wonder Wheel. We're going to see if it's worth anything. It removes it, but I'm afraid it's going into the... It's not supposed to damage the paint. Yeah, we're not going to do that. Alright, well, it's on. Let's press her down a little bit. And I scratched the heck out of it being an idiot. Same with a 10 millimeter. we're gonna push our push pins back in. And then I'm gonna see if I can use some compound real quick and fix my gigantic F up. Okay guys, so I got a little carried away, a little mad at myself because I scuffed up the 500 spoiler when I was putting removing the 3M adhesive on the other side. I buffed it out though, so it's looking pretty good. I used some compound, got it all clean, and it looks pretty nasty on there. We'll get you guys a view of it from the daytime. Right now I got the mounting stickers trying to hold the 3M on the edges down a little bit, help it bond a little better. But yeah, it looks good, and we'll bring it back to you during the day so you can see what it looks like outside. Spoiler looks sick. Ignore the mounting stickers. We're just trying to help the 3M settle. We'll take it off tomorrow. That looks good. Look at the GT500 spoiler. You like it? That's a completely different look right there. Yeah, do you like it? Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
I want to rev it.
You want to rev it?
Yeah.
No, you're not revving it.
Yes.
No, you're not old enough yet. He wants to rev it, which is awesome, but no, not yet.
I get older, can I?
Maybe when you get older, yeah. Don't forget, guys, subscribe. It looks good, good, good. What you think, Hayden? Little man's tired. Took the stickers off, mounting stickers off. It looks really good. Check out the side profile. Oh yeah. That is a lot more aggressive looking, especially coupled with the 13 taillights. We'll get some trackie idle in while we're here. Should be warm enough. Let's give it a little throttle blip. There it goes. Listen to that. It is so ridiculous how much that track key changes it. Got a small exhaust leak to fix. I have a mangled band in there from when I replaced it a long time ago. Luckily I realized I just have a spare, so we're gonna knock that off, knock that out while we try to adjust the axle backs, maybe get a resonator delete in, who knows. But that's gonna do it for today's episode, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I didn't get the full install, but it sure does look good. I'm happy I did it. Let me know what you guys think of it down below, and if you're gonna be at Ponies and Smokies, let me know. Can't wait to meet you guys. Take care. You want to do it? Woo! What? The lights? You like those lights?
Oh, what's cooking down the ball? What's cooking down the ball? What's cooking down the ball?
Go do that in the ball?
Yeah. Mitsubishi.
What?
The door's up.
The doors are up?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. You can go see inside there.
Okay.
Careful, don't touch it.
Okay. The door's in my way.
Just duck.
This is really